What's up, internet? I'm gonna need to install Gimp, my favorite image manipulation program on the Linux. So, I mean, I know this one pretty easy. I don't have it yet. Let's see graphics here. I have Blender, Inkscape, but not my favorite. Image Magic. Interesting. But I still want Gimp. So let's open a terminal. Of course, in the wrong window. Here we go. Um, oh wow, it actually switched over. Cool. Let's just make this a little bigger. There we go. Okie dokie. So yeah. Let's get to. I should have been more prepared, but it's okay. Over here. So yeah, it's pretty simple. It's just another sudo apt install Gimp. Enter your user password. And then, of course, I want to. Yes, please. Done. Cool. So, back over here. And let's open it up. There we go. Let's full screen it. Okay. And let's get my damn face out of here. Okay. So yeah, let's make a new file. Do we want a template? Toilet paper. Oh, that's very interesting. Okay, there we go. There we got a slice. Uh, yeah. So this is great. Anyways, oh no. Let's select section here, and oh, there we go. Select a section here, and maybe we'll pick a color. And since it's toilet paper, there we go. All right, now let's pick our hardness, and we want the airbrush, and let's go to town. I am not any good at freehanding stuff at all. At all. Okay. Yeah. Let's there we go. Okay, okay. I want a fine line, and I want cancel. He's gonna be very happy guy. Anyway, so you know, hold on, one more thing before I'm done. Oh no, not there first. Up here first. Okay, put some text in here. I would like to. Come on. Oh, I gotta do it over here. Yes. That sounds fun. No, it's not good enough. That's not good enough. There we go. There we go. And then we need to size that up a bunch. The cursor. Okay, 135 sounds good. Now let's. Oh, I need to get back in the text box here. Looks about center. Up, up, ba, ba. Should be the right. Yes. Yes. No, this guy. There we go. All right. I'm so happy with that, and we're gonna save this as to pictures, and but anyways, we'll just put the all we gotta do is put the file extension in there. What do you mean? Oh, I gotta export it. Shit. I'm sorry. Oh. Export as. There we go. Sorry, my bad. Export as. Exporto. And I usually just hit export because I'm no professional. And oh. No, cancel. We want to save that. Okay, so we'll save the project. We'll save it in pictures. That's the thingy there. Okay, go ahead and close. See if we can find it. Ah, File Explorer. Pictures. Oh, I thought I saved it there. Documents? There it is. It's in documents. Okay, well, while we're at it, we're gonna put it back where it belongs in pictures. There we go. And then we'll just throw it open in the image viewer. There we go. There's a piece of toilet paper customized in Gimp. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Not sure if this was helpful or not, but it's just me playing around, showing you how to install Gimp, one of my favorite image editors that I did not know had a template for toilet paper. Thanks again for watching.